I am a doctor. I am a doctor. I wear a white coat. I wear a white coat. I see a hospital. I see a hospital. I see patients. I see patients. I see sick people. I see sick people. I see injured people. I see injured people. I see worried families. I see worried families. I listen to heartbeats. I listen to heartbeats. I check for fevers. I check for fevers. I take care of patients. I take care of patients. I give medicine. I give medicine. I see a stethoscope. I see a stethoscope. I see a thermometer. I see a thermometer. I see a clipboard. I see a clipboard. I write prescriptions. I write prescriptions. I help people feel better. I help people feel better. I see nurses. I see nurses. I see medical tools. I see medical tools. I see a waiting room. I see a waiting room. I see a receptionist. I see a receptionist. I see an examination table. I see an examination table. I use a syringe. I use a syringe. I use a bandage. I use a bandage. I use a mask. I use a mask. I use gloves. I use gloves. Being a doctor is important. Being a doctor is important. I love my job. I love my job.